how to set up Google Authenticator app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Play Store application and download or install the Google Authenticator on a device. As you can see, I've already installed it. So I'm going to simply tap on open. That will lead us to Google Authenticator application directly. So here just tap on get started and then here just select any account. Then tap on continue. And as a tap on continue, what you can simply do is you have different codes over here that you can use whenever you need for the authentication of your devices or different apps on your Android. So here we have for Facebook. So if you want to authenticate, you can just use this code and then you'll be able to have authentication or two-factor authentication on your particular app. So if you want to add up, you can just tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. And that's how you can set up or add another app for the authentication. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.